Yes, yes, hiya, good morning. Yeah man, good morning. Yes. A bandstand me there now. A bandstand me there this morning. Happy New Year. All my friends and family and enemies who tune into the voice of Bed Miller YouTube channel. Yeah. As I say, you go future bandstand today. You go future bandstand today. But Mr. Scully Pop, you out there? Scully Pop, me now give interview this. I've got Scully Pop, boy, Scully Pop in the easy, you know. Scully Pop. Scully Pop, me now give you an interview today, you know, Scully Pop. Eh?
I tell you what I say.
No man, me go make an arrangement.
Yeah.
For your 2025 interview.
Yes.
Scully Pop part 2.
Part 2. No? Part 3.
Part 2, man.
Part 2.
Part 2. So Scully Pop, a bandstand me come to deal with man, you know.
Yes, right.
So I plan to do no interview with you.
Yeah.
You understand me, so? Happy New Year, my general.
Come, touch me. No money now. No money, man.
You bring that money for me, Scully Pop. Scully Pop, a beach me a go to Scully Pop. Eh? What, eh?
A beach me a go.
A beach me a go.
Come on, $100.
$100. Scully Pop.
I told you.
So, see $100.
Yeah, right.
As I say.
Come on, interview.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Because we arrange an interview with you, you know.
Yes.
Scully Pop part 2, but a bandstand me can deal you now.
Yes, yeah.
Come to go beach, you know. I mean, I want to, because the man and people then love the first interview, you know.
Wow.
Because even Soko,
Soko.
it's a Soko pass off.
Yeah, Soko pass off, man.
Soko is no longer with us.
Yeah, right, that's
And Soko
right.
did wait the interview with you.
Yes.
And Soko, they encourage me in such aspect, you know, on the levels, you know.
Yes.
So I continue works.
Yes.
I know people join in, you know, and I support the thing.
Yes.
Can I big up the farmer people, you know.
Yes, of course, yes, though.
Yeah, man, so only can tune in for Scully Pop part 2.
Part 2. Touch me again.
Yeah, man, touch it again, 2025.
Let me see that.
Eh?
I am Michael Malley.
Michael, yeah, man.
Class.
Yeah.
Eh? I'm again. Yeah, 12 10.
Eh?
I'm a
What you say?
boss.
Why say Michael Malay boss?
I'm again.
Eh?
I'm again from.
Eh?
I'm again.
Half of something, man. Half of, they get it half of the internet. Michael Malay and Beverly.
Yes, man.
Eh?
Class.
You want one Scully Pop?
Yeah, man. Take off, man.
Eh?
Take off, give me, man.
Take off the give Scully
Yeah,
Pop.
man.
Eh?
Take off the blood clot, give me.
Scully Pop, what you say you want the Michael Malay?
Yeah,
You want the
man.
Michael Malay and Scully Pop?
Let me see.
Eh?
One boss.
Eh? Scully Pop, you want me? You go start out one for your Scully Pop.
Yes, man.
Michael Malay Pitney
And the wife.
and Beverly Manley.
Yes, man.
I remember know say Michael Manley build Nip School, you know.
Yes,
I never
man.
did know, you know.
Blood clot.
No, man, me can't give you Scully Pop, you mad? I want me have Scully Pop.
Yeah.
I'm going to start out one for you, man.
Yeah.
All right, Scully Pop. We will link up.
Yes.
Me have go for a bandstand now.
All right, do the one now.
Yeah, I'm going to do a thing.
Yeah.
Boy, me tell you, say, a bandstand, me I go, but see there? Morning ball. You know, see it? A few men play ball in the morning still. You know, see it? Few men when I come to do this thing still. See? You see, play still. You see, play still and take care of it. Hmm? You understand me? Park still and take care of it. You know? Just look at part of them when I play them ball. But as I say, I come free. A bandstand I come to talk about. I come to talk about bandstand, brother. Boy, Scully Pop, boy, I tell you. You know, see it? So, yes, oh yeah. Again, Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2025. Yes, oh yeah. And my New Year's resolution is me, myself, and I. And Papa Jesus. And so I keep my circle right now. You know, see it? Me, myself, and I am Papa Jesus power in 2025. Bring it to the brother. So this is bandstand. This is bandstand, the famous bandstand. Yes. You know, see it? Miss McDonald. No, Miss McAlpin. I don't call her first name, because I say most call her first name. Just call her as Miss McAlpin and done. Mrs. McAlpin at least. Because you're married to one of the McAlpin them. Yes. What a sight, man. where the palm trees them. This is the famous bandstand. Yes, Aya. It's really sad for you know. When I go start about bandstand now. For my little boy, you know. Yeah, man. Many bandstand. Been in the property here. A part of the school. And it's supposed to be a part of the school. Because when we used to come back to school, we used to have classes in a seat. Yeah, man. From bandstand, you know. We used to have classes also sometime, you know. We come out and have the classes. Them. But, I don't know bandstand. Get the name bandstand. So, I know if a band used to play pan here and so forth back in the days. But as I say, in a seat. Never point I want to make, you know. You see, all them kind of them palm tree back in the days. Them palm tree never did the pan bandstand, you know. Never did the pan the ground, you know. And since in a seat, and since the tourism thing in a seat, them planted the palm tree them and set the place nice. Because I tell the people, see when the palm tree didn't plant up, when they ship things just start to the Falmouth, because they must have set it up to attract tourists, or tourists gonna come over here, come spend time and so forth. But they come like no tourists now will come over here. But me I tell you something, when they went just set up with the palm tree, them and everything went nice. Because we do a wedding photo shoot over here already, you know. Back in the days, you know. Wedding photo shoot, you know. Yeah, man. Come take pictures. Yeah, man. We do a wedding, and I hear say people are going to take pictures of them. And my God, brother, look on this place now. Look at the place stand now. Eh? Why bandstand can't keep and care? Eh? 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 Why bandstand if you look so? Eh? Like a forest same way. In a seat. In a high soul condition. If tourists now come here, what they need to do? They need to fix up at the place. In a seat. And make it be a playground for the kids them of Falmouth. In a seat because Falmouth kids them now no me not talk no me not park a football field, center, a sporting thing, but Falmouth don't have a recreation ground. But like up on a Sunday, parents can care about them kids and relax and make them kids play. Put up some slide and something at all. And enough little things now. In a seat, they bought the place when they can use. In a seat. So the kids can come here and play. Because this was a playground, see me, you know. Look how bandstand stay now, brother. Eh? A totally high soil. You understand me? In a seat? Yes. I mean, I tell you, not because tourists now, because they will believe you attract tourists and two tourists now and two kind of tourists now to come over them places. Because playground and them thing there, tourists now in a seat. Tourists now come here, so. Some of them believe like when tourists come and they bring them kids, they can come over here. But as I say, the place is the high zone right now. I mean, I tell you that. Yes. In a seat. Yeah, man. High zone. Look, I believe so. Yes, when I want to play thing, you know. I believe so, you know. Want to go play thing when they are saying, but I tell you. In a seat. But up on the land space, where they can fix up the place properly and fix it for the kids them. So they can have a playground. You can have here, you can have go-kart and all them things there. Even one skating ring. You understand me? One skating ring can build us for the kids them a Falmouth, you know. Because skating land locked down in a seat. Because one time, you know, one lady may want somewhere, you know, man. One lady have some kids car and so forth, you know. in a seat and drag car and go kart and them sitting in. And she did do one thing of Falmouth, you know. Because she did link me. Because she hear about me. She come from Mobile, she hear about me. And she link me and say me in a seat. And she went uptown. Me and she went uptown now. They do the thing and people interested in it. And she went link parish council to get a permission. Permission that she gonna do her thing with the cars them, with the kids them and so forth. Yeah man, and she link parish council, you know. And all no parish council no give it appear run around and get them have a lady pan. And then don't give her the permission to do her thing. You know, see it for the youths them. You understand me? I'm gonna tell her I say we check out Skateland. And Skateland, you know, see it. Lockdown now a different thing than Skateland now. Understand me? You know, see it. Yes. So, as I say, this can be a recreation ground for the kids in my Falmouth. And that's in Falmouth alone, Trelawney. If you fix up the place, man, and even lock up the gate and you can charge a little money the same way. You know, see it. One skating ring can put us, you know. I want go kart thing, you know. And some little slide and bounce about and all, and some water thing and all them sitting there, you know. You know, see it. One little park, you know. Like Sunday evening time, people can carry them kids come down here. You know, see, not because tourists now come here, we not neglect the place. Because, you know, it's all about tourism, you know. We don't give a damn about the people, you know. You know, see it. And right now, a 2 ship dock up at the pier, you know, 2 ship, you know. 2 ship yesterday, 2 ship today, and ship will come tomorrow. Me never 1 or 2 will come tomorrow. Amount of money, we make a Falmouth. Half of the tourism business, and then put back nothing back for the youths them. A Falmouth, just so to be a one playground in a seat. We can have one little section for skating, one little skating wing in a seat. One little kiddies cars them can and all them thing there. They can have slides and all them sitting there. And weekend time like on Saturday and Sunday when kids break off at school, they can come and enjoy themselves. Yes. I'm not telling them about bandstand right now. See bandstand here. I just saw this something there. The bench went there. I go just talk a little about bandstand. Let me talk about dogo, you know. You understand me? And people, let me talk about the dogo thing on the Kenan going to bike school or bike school. And the daytime we did them sitting there now. At night time we talk. Because with their school, the daytime, we did them sitting at daytime, at night time. At the time, you know, they didn't think they used to go to bike school. They used to go to nip school. Yeah, man, remember? Yeah, man. The man of girl is a man of them girl back in the days. You know, see it? Yeah, man. I don't know. Night time, we match the works. Yeah, man. Out of Kenan. Out of the Kenan gun. But you have some man brave enough and match works, that's saying better. Because look how bandstand is close to the road. Yeah, man, bandstand is close because the bandstand, you know. And see the road, say, no. You know, see it? No, brother. Never match no works, so brother. Never do no dogo way, so. Because the bench used to there, so, you know. Remember the bench used to there, so. Bandstand is nice, man. Yes, a man used to play table tennis, you know. Remember, you know. I used to play with like a football, so, you know. Yeah, man, I could play with a skimmage, man. One, you understand? One goal there, so. In my Kirky parish. See my Kirky Irish March parish, you know. Big up yourself, Kirky. Irish March, I got beat. I beat me again, you know. Yeah, man, so you see I have 1 goal there, so. We used to play a whole of football for bandstand, you know. Whole of football player, so, you know. 1 goal there, so, and 1 goal there, so. Because I believe it's the original thing this you know. Me not do any more changes, but the original top thing I say you know. The man will take out the bench. But as I say, I first made the future bandstand. Anti Park, right beside it there. In a disgraceful condition, see me. No matter true, I mean I tell people say, because of me, why Parkfield cut? Because Parkfield never cut, Parkfield only cut when I something there now. When bioschool sports near you know. Like in a January, February, you know. Bioschool sports, at the time they cut Parkfield, you know. And because of the vice of Bed Miller, why man can't get a chance to play some ball. But it's still not take care of see me. So I come for sure. Yeah man, the Falmouthians them in the diaspora and the Falmouthians them locally. But some man the Falmouthians them locally, they're interested in them thing, you know. They don't give a damn, you know. Because them so political minded and so forth. They don't give a damn what they take place, you know. Because they love them party and they love them leader more than anything else. But one thing I tell person say Marky G and Kanjo in a seat can't give me eternal life. And God allow me fear in a better. See me I can burn fire pan Marky G and pan Kanjo anytime I want. Look on the grass of the place, man. Me all can walk. Look on the high grass. All them things I feel just to sort out and make it be a playground for the kids them. A recreation ground. Put a skating ring, kind of skate. Because Falmouth people them now know if you play. Know where they know if you play. No playground. That's why Soko say overseas in a state. A whole of playgrounds them have. Because kids have some if you play. Falmouth, the capital of Trelawney. Falmouth with the biggest cruise ship them are coming in the world. And look pan bandstand. Bandstand what them did set up to attract tourists. Them plant up them palm tree. When they went just look, but it used to look good. Come the photo shoot over here now. With the wedding photo shoot just saying now. As I said before. You know see, but you know tourists now come over here, then just neglect it. You know see it. Because all them cater about a Falmouth of the tourists. Tourists alone in cater for. Which is nice, you know. Tourism nice, you know. But what about the people them a Falmouth, brother? What about the people them? What about the kids them? You know see, they can more than fix up yourself. And make it be a playground, put up some swing and all them sitting and slide and all them sitting there. And here where the kids them can all drive them kiddies car and all them sitting there. Fix the facilities and rent out it to people. And it's strictly for entertainment for kids, amusement for kids. Make it be an amusement park. Just like our Turkey Tower Park, in the seat. At Ochi. You see that shame and disgrace, me I'll tell you, brother. And when man chat things, when you bring no political thing in it and talk about man too political. Me no know politics business in the brother. This is my playground, me a local boy, you know. But a football is to play over here, so just the same way, you know. And football upon bandstand, you know. Yeah. The Falmouth famous bandstand. In a seat. In a totally shame and disgrace right now. Shame and disgraceful condition because no tourists now come here. They just neglect the place and then deal with the place properly. In a seat. Look at them, look up garbage, look on them sitting here. They on the place. Look at the grass, them high, same way. In a seat. They not carry. They don't give a damn about it. In a seat. Because tourists now come over here. So they don't give a damn about it. So what happened to the people them? What happened to the kids them? What happened to the look kids them? You know see it? Enough. Because the place big enough, you know. I might notice, you know. Because bandstand come way down as you know. Way down as bandstand come. So a lot you know see it? A lot of kids things can watch it. A lot of things the kids can put over here, you know. A lot of playing facilities, you know. Slide bunks about water, this and all them sitting there. Yes, you know, see it. Then we fix the place, I mean rent out it to somebody, and somebody can just put up them thing over here. Because enough money in them business there, you know. A man can just dedicate the place and put up him, yeah. Put up them game Zoom and all them sitting there. Yeah. We should not go right down to the wall. Right down to the wall, I go right down to the wall. It's your bandstand big. The whole of the bandstand, you know. The whole of and I believe it's a part of the school. I never a part of bag school thing, but you understand me? I tell you, brother, the whole of yourself. See all of us in bag school, see all of us there. The part of the brain that them sell over there, so. See there? And if you say, I'm go zoom sitting. If it's a lie, me I tell. See this? Ship in a port. A bandstand is staying. See the ship in a port. 2 big ship out the team. So, as I say, I don't make it think too long. But I tell you, say, them people are don't give a damn about the people in Falmouth. You hear me? You know, see? That's why when the shark are when you take to the sea for make a livelihood. You know, see? And the shark deal with the youth a terrible way. The big police inspector talk about Falmouth waters now, no shark in it. No shark in the Falmouth waters. And all them sitting there. You know, see? Because of what? They might protect them tourism. All them care about is the US dollar and the English pound. You don't love money so much. You don't care about the people, you just money no love, you know. That's everybody come and nowadays just love money, you know. That's why I keep my circle small, you know. I don't want me because I pay money no love, you know. I don't sell out people, no sell out anybody, no sell out no sister. Because I don't love money. I don't love the Canadian pound, the English. No. I don't love the Canadian dollar, the US dollar, and the English pound. I go take up my porridge now. You can make a bicycle steer. Can I walk over park, look at me. But that's why I say, uno no nothing at all to find out people them. When you see it, yes. I mean, know. I not know because I don't know who go win election. Because you can't tell who go win election. I mean, if Marky G win and so forth, I go same thing. I go same way you know behave. Because uno leaders nowadays, the whole of them same thing, you know. Yeah, most of them the same thing. Uno go promise the people them and full of big chat and all them sitting there. And I don't do nothing at all for the people them. But you me now dip in pound, no? I mean I'm begging or nothing. You know see it. Who want support me, support me. You know see it. Me a freelance man, you know. I mean I have freedom of speech. See it, yeah? And because you see there, you think park, then it's cut out that little thing. Yes. Park in a disgraceful condition, same way. See the same way. Apartment there now, you know. Apartment there right now, same way. See mama play them ball. And because of the voice of Bed Miller. And because the voice of Bed Miller, why the man, why you're so cut. Because if it was, if never going to speak out, you want to cut and sit there, it still not keep on care. You see, you see it? In a disgraceful, this I go back the same way. I just hear the man play ball pan the man them just go and maintain. Understand me? You know, see disgraceful conscience, it's still not take care of. Still not taking care of. See there? You know, cut. See there? The wild time in them pan the same way. A park field is the same way. So then some of the field said, boy, they man. Then just cut out part and left it. I don't give a damn about it, you know, business about it. You understand me? I miss McAlpin, I'm going to show you. Because they ask me about, they doing the ask me about something like, ask me about teacher cook house. Yeah man. Yeah man, so Miss McAlpin, teacher cook house is no longer there, so you know. Yet a teacher cook house was there. Yes sir. Because it's school, you know. Yeah man, see, yeah man. And right also so teacher cook house used to there. Right off here, so. I say stay now. Yeah, man, I say stay now. Right off here, so. This is a part of the teacher cookhouse you see there. See, fishing village cross just the same way. And him finally fence off his school. Yes. So teacher cookhouse, no see it. Yes. Yeah, man, me I tell you, say. And remember the wall in there, so. The wall when they saw me about us, so. You know, see it. You can't see the wall again, you know. But the wall, I believe say the wall when they saw me after, so. Because the wall of so are the field, you know. Always say them part, you know, at the field with them wild tumbling sitting in the wall, so at the field same way, you know. So when they come one day and then do what them say, they don't give a damn about it. Because of my vice, right? Them, they see them, then cut out them part there, and the man play ball there, so at the same arm zones I go and same way. Then wild tumbling at the same way. Because as a Soko did say, park should not be one official playground in a good condition. Because yes, a sporting activity starting in a Falmouth and in a Trelawney. I just a new school used to keep them sports. Back in the days, in the 60s, because my brother used to go and tell me. Yes, they used to keep them sports and they left from park and go center. And look at the place stay. Yeah man, right here you see them. Right here you see them fencing there. The fencing there. See the fence there when they put up. What day they put up the fence, you know. You know, see it. Right to the fence there. I just see the wall. This is the border. This is the wall you see there. Go down the line. And you can't see nothing at all behind there. So as I say, I don't make the content tool, I'm tired to come here. So. But I'll tell you, see it? Yeah. See how long the bottom, don't see the go up back again same way. You don't see it? Don't see the go up back same way. Bottom go, the figure and see me the same way. I tell you time to walk down there. They don't business about it, they don't care about it. You don't see it? They might have just cut it because the tourists them walk through the truck here, you know, and go over the fishing village, you know. So they just cut it. Because the tourists when they complain, they might pass through the bush and all. That's why they cut it. But no business, they don't give a damn about it. They don't give nothing at all about it. And because of park field and center, why me build my YouTube channel, you know. There are two main reasons, you know. The voice of bed me like, because when you suppose me things in for my status, me for the actual 30 seconds and all them sitting there. And now status gone to 1 minute now. You know see it. It just run for you 24 hours and come off. And people tell me say, man, if you want my thing to be heard, build a YouTube channel. And the reason I build park field and center. The mother was when I build park center, I two reasons why I build my YouTube channel and voice out about it. And I say, if it wasn't for me, you understand me? The man wouldn't have a look spot to play ball right now. Because of the voice of Bed Miller. So, as I say, where Soko, this is a place, the works continue, you know, and go Alex continue, you know. And it's my first post for 2025. I'm going to continue works, you know. Who want to hate me, you know, see it. Who want to come kill me, kill me. Because I want to go board house me living there, you know. Because same like when I burn down burn house, I don't say, I soon burn down for me want to. Because that's how I stay, you know. When some dangerous people, you know, brother. But I don't stop chat. Only when you go quiet me, when you have to kill me. You know, see it. I mean, I fear who can kill the body and can't kill the soul. Yeah, man. And hold on to the one who killed Mr. Bed. Hold on to the one who killed Bed Miller. You better milestone when tie on your neck. You know, see it. and you drown in the sea. Because when you go and kill people, when you feel say, when you feel say God asleep, when you contract killers are going to kill people and they rob and they thief people and you feel say, and every day, when you get up, when you call up God's name, when you big up God the most, you know, when you all murderers, you know. But you see me now, I go and live my life, you know, brother. 2025, I just me and God a power, you know. Because I don't trust people again. I know who I trust still, you know, but yeah, say things set. So Mr. McAlpin and all the people them in the diaspora who used to go back to school and know about Banston and all them sitting there. So I just come do this, make it be the first content for 2025. Yes. Because I just YouTube man thing there, you know. And no one of them might post picture on my status, you know. And me post picture on my Facebook page. Yes, I'm one of the people if you know say all the background me change on the Christmas tree pictures pan Grand Market at Grand Market. Then post on my Facebook page, you know. Yeah, my device of Bed Miller. Facebook page. So they can go on the page, go take off on the picture. Because my Facebook page, I just see picture. I don't on Facebook page for make no comment. When you send me no message on Facebook, you just go take off picture of a Facebook. I mean, no comment thing and nobody no message me on Facebook. If you want to contact me on my WhatsApp. Because I told that because I just post picture on Facebook. Because I'm afraid of Facebook too, you know. A long time I want to kill Bed Miller, you know. A long time I want to kill me, you know. But my life same way. I go on the job works. 2025, yeah man. I draw closer to Papa Jesus and go on the God works. You know see it. I don't love money, the way I don't love money, I don't love money. And the Bible, although I never Jesus didn't say that still, you know. Paul in when I letters, you know, man. The love of money, the root of all evil. The love of money, the root of all evil. You know, sell out, you know, sell, you know, soul because of vanity. You know, see it. Because when tourists now come here, so when you build a place, the tourists now come here, so when you neglect the place. Swam to the kids them, swam to the youths them. Falmouth now no playground, no Falmouth now no skate land again. No way the kids them can have a fun time. This can be a fun land, you know. This can be a fun land, you know. A fun land when it's a weekend time when the kids them break off of school. You know see it. It can open. Yes. Place can set up. With skating ring and place where go-kart and all them sitting there and all them sitting there. And slide and bounce about and water this and water that. We don't need for those a tune on you know better. You know see it. As I say, I'm in forest content. If you notice there sometimes I don't put up no content, you know. I just go and be like easy, you know. But issues like this are a long time if a video. Come video park all the way, my video center. Yeah man, the famous bandstand brother. As what I say, I might talk about the dogo thing, but I tell you man, so the place was normal brother. Yeah man. But I never dogo here so. It was close to the road. It was a famous place, amount of football the place, so table tennis, everything the place as a little boy, you know. But I tell you brother. I want to live to see us become a Falmouth Funland. That's going to be Falmouth Funland for the kids them. Concentrate on the kids them, man. And that's what I say. Overseas a playgrounds with the kids them. We will concentrate on the kids them. This can be a Falmouth Funland. You know see it? Falmouth Wonderland. Because the baddest things maybe if you cut down some of the palm tree them and so forth and put in some things for the kids them. Set at the place and even lease it to somebody and make them know say I want recreation center, I want fun land for the kids them. Yes, when they can play. Pan slide and bounce about and go kart and all them sitting there and skating and all them sitting there. So, but I just, hear me brother. You say enough. I mean I over talk. So me and Big Benna in the seat. Me and Big B they go to the beach, you know me. And me Kirky, Irish mash. Big up yourself Kirky. Because me read Kirky and I get all different type of part from Kirky, you know. Yeah man, Kirky just mix up in thing. Irish mash. Porridge me go drink, you know. So me gone how much minutes? Yeah man, almost 40 minutes me gone. So who want view, who want watch it. But me know say Miss McAlpin I go watch it. And me know say Power I go watch it. Esco I go watch it. So big up the Falmouth people them in the seat, in the diaspora. And them thing I go on a Falmouth, brother. If you notice, man, I just YouTube my thing upon the man. Me dey on TikTok, you know. No, brother, me no TikTok business, man, yo. One time I take some picture with Peter Gay, daughter one name. Something there. Peter Gay, daughter one name Pinky. And show and in time there, my cousin Lando when they show me how to do things on TikTok. I mean, that's why many use our pictures them and do a lot of post up a lot of things on TikTok with that. You know see it. Because I don't want to know if you use TikTok to promote my thing. I mean just when I can understand, but I just stop it. Because too much pass up on TikTok, brother. I never will post on Instagram neither. Yes. Yeah man, so my thing right now, strictly YouTube. Come learn a lot from YouTube. Because the thing what full of pay pass and mix up. Me can't bother with them sitting there. Because the TikTok full of paid bagger. So when I'm going to see me on TikTok, brother. YouTube me thing there. I mean I try if I get any more community strike. Yes, now keep me thing on a level. So as I say, New Year, Happy New Year and a prosperous 2025. To all my subscribers in a seat. To all my customers, they must support my picture business the same way. In a seat. Yes. To all my families, to all my friends them. And last but not least, all my enemies. Because I want to give me the strength, you know. I want to give me this because the more to fight me. And the stronger me get. So, when you big up on yourself, yeah? Okay, so Miss McAlpin, this is a bandstand. I said they want to know about teacher cookouts. I'm sure that mashed down from long time. So the place here right now. So, I'm going to sign off. You know. This is my first post for 2025. You know see it. But this is a place that can be Falmouth, Funland for the kids them. So if the two political parties them have a mind for the kids them, for the youths them of Falmouth. Then we come together and build a Funland or so. So the kids them can enjoy. Because there's no playground. You know see it? There's no playground for the kids them of Falmouth. Because park for sporting activities, center same way. We want a kiddies playground with slide, bounce about, water wheel and all them sitting there and skating, go-kart and all them sitting there. It can done. If you chop down some of them willow tree, some of them palm tree, and get more, chop down some of the palm tree them and get some more space. Keep some of the palm tree them, you know. Some of the palm tree can keep, you know, but chop down some of them and get the space. Yeah man, we deal with the thing properly. So as I say, just one love, and big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Yes, Aya. Yeah.